Gentlemen, hi, morning. Nooresh, let me come to you first. Did pretty okay after a quiet start yesterday. Scaled up to that 25,200 print on the Nifty futures. Do you think we'll stay put here?
So expecting this to continue towards that 25,500 mark, which is the target for this bounce. The good part is we are seeing some of the heavyweights take some lifting, wherein you've seen HDFC Bank yesterday do a 2% plus move. So that's one of the largest names in the Nifty weights is doing well. So overall, the structure is positive. The momentum is not as great as one would want it to be given where the global markets are. We continue to see global markets continue make new all-time highs every other day. But we've still not gone closer to the all-time highs. The breadth is still one day up, one day down in terms of being a strong breadth. But the structure is still positive. We are getting into a consolidation mode is what it looks like. So for now, 25,500 is a target for this move.
All right, Kunal, morning. Let's get in your take as well on the markets and how you're reading into the fact that we have managed to see a smart gain. We closed in above 25,100 and more importantly, the banks as well have been supportive.
Yeah, I think the move yesterday was more large cap oriented. So, right from the financials towards autos, towards, real estate, capital good, names like L&T, etc. Many of these large cap names, they started to participate quite well. Now, yes, on one side, we look at the market texture is coming back where the market internals in terms of the sectors, the kind of sectors which we generally require when the market requires, goes into a bounce or a process of recovery. I think that's stabilized quite well. What we need to now see is the follow-through price action for many of these sectors and indices. I think if we manage to see that over the next series of the next couple of days, then I believe that there could be more room for the index on the upside. But 25,350 to 500 could be a near-term resistance point for the index. This also coincides with a gap which was created for the Nifty on the way down when it corrected by 1,500 odd points. So I think that would be the first major test. I think once we scale past about those levels, that's where we can probably establish a condition that the markets have got back into a very strong recovery, and we could be looking at almost like a retest of the previous high. So 25,500 is a major resistance.
All right, those are some important levels to track. 25,500 being a major resistance level.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.
Hyundai Motor India Limited now proposes an initial public offering of its equity shares. The 100% book built offer is being offered at a price band of Rs 1,865 to Rs 1,960 per equity share of face value of Rs 10 each. The anchor investor offer period opens and closes on Monday, October 14th, 2024. Offer opens on Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Offer closes on Thursday, October 17th, 2024. For risk involved and other details, please refer to the red herring prospectus, which is available on the website of the company, SEBI, BRLMs and the stock exchanges.